Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of mastering spatial database with PostGIS, and in this video we are going to talk about loading the data in our database. So we will be working with the different approach to upload the data in our database. One is using the PostGIS bundle and another is using QGIS. So without wasting our time, let's get directly into our topic. So we will be continuing from the part where we left. So I have opened my pgadminfo and let's connect our server. So the super user is Postgres and we have saved the password for this super user, and I'm just going to enter it and connect to the server. And if you remember, we created this just a second. So there are two databases in our server. One is Postgres and another is Spatial Odyssey, and this is the database where we are working right now. And in this database we have one table named as spatial ref underscore sys. So this consists of all the reference system that are in the PostGIS. So we will be adding the data in our database. So to add it, we have two different methods. First one is using the PostGIS bundle. So to upload from the, so to load the data, let's go to our start menu and search for PostGIS bundle, and there is this PostGIS bundle 3 for PostgreSQL. And if you click on this one, you will come to this window, and here first of all we will load our so first of all we'll connect our database to this one. So our username is Postgres, and we will provide the password, and server host is localhost, and the port is 5432. And for the database we are working on Spatial Odyssey, and if it is successfully connected, then you will see connection succeeded. So I want to add a vector shapefile using this PostGIS bundle. So to do that, I will add file, and then I'll go to the location where it is saved. So it is a building.shp, and then open. So it's that easy. And now we need to add the spatial reference ID. So for this save file, it is going to be 32633. And if you don't know what this is, as I mentioned in the previous video, let me know if you want to know about the projections and the coordinate system. So for now it's 32633. I'll show you from where this came. So we will add file, and then and then we'll also add another save file, the label one shp, and the spatial difference is going to be the same. And when we import, both of the save file is going to be added into our table with the spatial index. So let's minimize this and refresh our table, and you can see three tables inside our database. So one was the spatial reference system, and two of them were the one which we just added. So if we want to see how the data looks, let's just look it quickly. So this is the one and only feature in our level 1 table. And if you want to see the geometry of this feature for this table, then we can just click this. Similarly, if you want to look for this data, then So these are the features in our building shapefile. So this is one of the way to add the spatial data in our database. And another way to add the spatial data is using the QGIS. So if you don't know what is QGIS, QGIS is a open source GIS desktop platform for viewing, editing, printing, and analysis for the geospatial data. First of all, we will connect our QGIS with our database. So to do that, we will go to PostgreSQL and expand it and make a new connection. And you can provide any name for this connection. So for now, I will write mastering spatial database with PostGIS, and our host is localhost, and the port is 5432, and the database is Spatial Odyssey. And we can do OK. So it will ask for the username. The username is our super user Postgres, and we can provide our own passwords. In doing so, you will see the new connection with our database, and you expand it. You will see the two shapefile that we earlier added in our database. So these two are already present in our database. So we can just bring it here. And if we right click and see the properties and information, we can see the name of the coordinate reference system, that is EPST 32633. So this was the spatial reference ID that I used earlier in the PostGIS bundle. Now I will just remove this layer. And now I will add the data that I'll be adding into our database. The first one is the centroid. Another one is road shapefile, and the final one is the district gpkg. So here I am using two different data types. One is SHP and another is geopackage. And also we have all the three types of vector data. One is point, another is line, and the last one is the polygon. So now we will be loading these three data into our database. So to do that, we need to go to database, DB manager, and PostGIS, and then select the database that we are currently working on and expand it. And here you can see the table that are already present in the database. And in order to add the newer vector data, we need to import the layer file. And let's add the district centroid. And if you select this one, okay, so before that, so in QGIS there is a function to select the feature. So by using this, and if you select, just let me change the color of this vector. So you can see this point file. So if I select this, then this point feature is selected. And when I go to the DB manager and master and import the file, and if I check this box, then only the feature that I selected earlier will be uploaded in our database. But for now, we will be adding the whole shapefile in our database, so we will not take this one. and the schema is going to be public. And we can specify the name of the if we want to change the name of the table, then you can do it here. And if you want to provide the primary key, you can, if you want a new primary key that's need to be assigned, then you can set it here. But for now I think it's okay for me. The spatial reference is okay, and the main thing is the creation of the spatial index. So spatial index is used to structure the database to optimize the storage and the retrieval of the spatial data. And if we create the spatial index, then it improves the query performance and it reduces the complexity during our computation. So it is must to create the spatial index. And import was successful. So when we go and check our table, so we can see 4 tables are there. There are 4 tables, and we just added the district centroid. So if we want to see the data, then just go to the all data and we can see the geom, and these are the points that we just added. Similarly, I will add the rest of the 2 data set. So all of my vector files that will be needed in this tutorial is added to my database, and you can see our table is loaded with multiple vector file. One is building, another is district, another is the centroid of the district. Level 1 is the first administrative level boundary of Austria, and this is the road inside the district, Salzburg district. And this is the this is the table that was imported when we install the PostGIS extension in our database. So this is all for this video, and in next video we will be adding the non-spatial data. Thank you very much.